Hello everyone and welcome to a tutorial on how to register new athlete accounts so the athletes can log in. This is an admin exclusive feature, so we're going to go ahead and start off on the overview page. Firstly, we're going to find the buttons along the bottom and find the admin panel. Then we have a couple of options here on how to register athletes to the system so they can log in. We have a bulk register athletes. This is for if we want to register, let's say 10, 15 athletes at once, or we have an individual one that called add user down here at the all users tab that we can just use to individually register athletes. First thing, I'm going to show off the bulk register athlete feature. So if we click in here, we get a couple of a little bit of a text tutorial here on how it works. Basically, we want to download this template, which is an Excel file that has all of the athletes that are present within our database. And we are going to go ahead and add emails for those athletes, and then a login will be generated for all of those athletes once we upload that Excel file. So we can see here, Excel file must have full name, email columns that is present in the template. A secure password is automatically generated for each athlete. Athletes already registered are safely skipped. Credentials are shown once, copy them to share with players. And use our downloadable template below to ensure correct formatting. So go ahead and download this template. I already have it downloaded, and I can show you on screen sort of what it's going to look like. You're going to have to fill in the emails yourself, but you'll see all the athletes that are present within the database. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that Excel file. So we tap this button here. We find the Excel file that we have just completed. Click that button. And here we can see that the athletes were created. Now there are some that it says errors here because we didn't fill them in just for demonstrative purposes. And we can see here the email that we used for this particular athlete. You'll be able to see the name, and we can see the password. And we can click a little copy all function, which is very useful for sort of sending these on to the athletes. So that's it for the bulk register. So then for individually registering athletes, we're going to go ahead and scroll down in the admin page until we get to the all users section. Then we click the add user button, and we can individually register an athlete to the system. So we click this and we find the athlete that we want to give a login to. So let's say athlete 17. And let's say we're going to add an email. So sample athlete at example.com, and we have to fill in a secure password, so it needs a capital letter, a lowercase letter, numbers, and a symbol. Let's fill that in and click create account. Someone already exists with this email, so there we go. So we can create the account, and we get a little screen here where we can copy the credentials, or we can register another user. So we can send this on to the athlete so they can log in. We can click register another user here just for demonstrative purposes. Let's say we want to create an admin account instead of an athlete. So it's pretty much the same process, except we need to do a full name. So let's say Emma Medical. And let's put in the email medical@silo.ie. And again, the same password restrictions. And now we've created a new admin account. So that's everything for registering users so they have a login to MySilo. So if you need any more help, be sure to check out the rest of the tutorials on this YouTube channel, and have fun using mysilo.ie.